There we are. All right. Hi, everyone, and welcome to the third day of the QtDay conference. In just a minute, we'll have the video for the Develer recruiting session. But first, I just want to remind you all of the sessions that we have going on for today because there are a lot of them. So after the Develer recruiting session, we'll have how to scale QML-based projects and architecture vision by Jürgen Boklaj-Ryanel. That's at 1:20 p.m. Followed by better UI HMI development workflows with Qt and QML by Marco Piccolino at 2:30. Then we have what's new in 3D for Qt, 5.14, 5.15, and beyond with Mike Cruz. That's happening at 3:40, followed by cross-compiling Qt applications with CMake by Burkhard Stubert. And then finally, we have the keynote speaker, Thiago Maciera, who is going to present the keynote about Qt containers and algorithms, and that will be happening at 6 p.m. tonight. So to start the day off, we have the Develer recruiting session. This will be a video by Massimiliano Atzori about, Atzori about the company and what they're looking for. And you can also get some contact information to get in touch with the hiring team and to find out what it's like to work at Develer. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.
Well, hello to everybody and thank you for being here. I am Massimiliano, I work for Develer and I am part of the hiring team. I'm here to tell you something about the company. We are growing, we have a lot of work opportunities and we are looking for new people to join us. Well, first of all, I would like to spend a few words on who we are. Develer is a company of 60 people. And we are based in Italy, near Florence. We are focused on hardware design and software development. Basically, we help other companies to deliver hardware and software solutions tailored for their needs. We usually work with companies that operate in many industrial fields. For example, healthcare, professional appliances, railways, consumer devices, and more. We take care of the technological issues, so our clients can focus on their business domain. The things we do are design of electronic boards, BSP and firmware development, graphical UI applications for industrial machines, web applications for data acquisition, processing and reporting. We work with medium to big companies in Italy and abroad. Since the company was founded, we've been involved with several open source communities and initiatives. We contribute to the Python, Go and Rust movement in Italy. We sponsor meetups and conferences, and we also organize events to bring together developers and people passionate about coding. Much of our work is covered by NDA. But to give you a more tangible idea of the projects we work on, I have brought 3 examples, mostly related to the embedded world and Qt. The first one is an Ethernet camera for industrial appliances. We have designed and manufactured the whole product: hardware, Linux-based firmware, and data processing applications with C++ and Qt. The second project is the Devil Board, a system on a module made entirely by us, designed for industrial applications. It comes with a Linux-based BSP and a toolchain for application development. Finally, a home automation system, developed entirely with Qt, capable of smart devices management with audio and video capabilities. These examples don't tell the whole story, but I think that represent well the kind of software development that we do. applications that work closely with the hardware. As you might guess, we work with a lot of technologies. We use Linux, C, C++, and Qt when it comes to create firmware and graphical user interfaces for embedded devices. We also use Python and Go for backend systems, usually for desktop, sometimes embedded, and mostly web applications. We also create web applications, of course, with a modern web stack. We have a spot on canary technologies, so we are experimenting with Rust and WebAssembly. It's good to know that these are the main technologies that we use in Develer, but of course, nobody is required to know all of them. We work in teams, and every team is responsible of delivering an application to one of our customers. So generally, the team members choose what languages and frameworks will be used in the project they are working on. One of the most interesting consequences of working with different customers is that there are a lot of opportunities for trying new technologies or simply deepen the knowledge in some of them. Another thing worth mentioning is how we approach to work. We put the people first because we believe that a happy developer is also a more effective developer. This means that we have flexible office hours. We work partially in office and remote, and we have an informal environment at work. We also invest a lot of effort into personal growth. We have an individual and dedicated budget for learning in terms of time and money. Every year, we discuss with people about what their professional goals are going to be, and we help them to reach them. Before going remote, we used to have a vibrant office life full of events throughout the year, open to families and friends. We are still committed to build one of the best office environments around. We have a lot of open positions. You can go on our website to see all of them and get more details. In short, we are looking for developers who are familiar with C, C++, and Go for embedded development. We also build web applications that interact with industrial machines, so we are also looking for web developers. We are considering remote applications, and for now, we require a basic knowledge of the Italian language. That's because even though we have clients outside Italy and we require at least a C1 level of proficiency in English for all employees, Italian is still the main language used in day-by-day communications and documents. I don't know if this is going to change in the future, but I can say that we are working to create a friendly environment for non-Italian speakers. For now, a basic knowledge of Italian is required. Okay, we are approaching the end. I will drop here some references to get in touch with the hiring team. If you are interested in one of our open positions or you are just curious to know more about us and the hiring stages, you can schedule an appointment with me or with one person of the team using the link in this slide. You can also send us an email. We're happy to answer all your questions or just have a chat. Don't worry if you miss the link or the QR code. They will be sent over an email for the organizer in the next days. You can talk to us even after the conference ends, of course. So, thank you for being here and for the time spent here with me. Enjoy today's sessions, engage in meaningful conversations, and stay safe. Goodbye.
All right, thank you all for watching that. So up next we have at 1:20, so in 20 minutes, we have how to scale QML-based projects and architecture vision by Jürgen Blocklage Ryanel. So hope to see you there. Bye-bye.